Hello everyone, this is Valentine from Sheetgo, and in this video I'm going to show you what happens if you use import range formula and try to import formatting. So as you can see here, I'm here in the Sheetgo blog. You can find many blog posts about import range, how to use it, the difference between import range and Sheetgo and whatnot. So I will put the link in the description and make sure to check it out. But now let me show you maybe a more practical example. I have two spreadsheets here. I have import range, a clean spreadsheet, nothing in here. And then we have our import formatting test spreadsheet. You can see here that I've added some formatting on the headers, on some conditional formatting, also some dates, currency, percentages, and an image. So let me show you what happens right now if we try to import this range into another spreadsheet using the import range formula. So let's come here, and of course to start the formula you enter the equals sign, and we want to use the import range formula, open the parentheses of course. As a first parameter we need the spreadsheet URL where we want to import that data from, so let's go here. You can select the entire URL if you want, but to keep the formula a bit clean and less busy, we can only select the spreadsheet URL. So let's copy this and enter it inside our formula. But do not forget to, of course, put it in between quotation marks. And then a comma, and then we arrive at the second parameter, range string. So now we select from which range from the spreadsheet we want to import. Let's say we want to import A1 all the way up to E10. So, and we're in sheet 1 here, so let's go back and open the quotation marks again. We can find the range in sheet 1, A1 to E10. And close the quotation marks and the parentheses as well and click enter. As you can see, it almost immediately imports that range that we asked for into our new spreadsheets, but there are some issues with the formatting. Not only does this look as if it's another font as the other ones, it's not filling out the cells as if they should be. And of course, what's missing is our conditional formatting here and our beautiful image. So let me show you how it looks like when you use Sheetgo. To open Sheetgo, you simply go to add-ons in the menu bar and simply press start. If you do not have it installed yet, you simply click on get add-ons to install it for free. A sidebar pops up on the right side of your screen, and simply by hovering this plus sign, you can choose to export or import data, but right now we want to import the data from that other spreadsheet. So we're selecting that file. By default, you will have your most recent visited and used spreadsheet here, so here we are, import formatting test. And of course we only have one tab, sheet 1. So that is where our information is, so that's what we need. In the settings, we can give the connection a name, for example, import formatting. There we go. And then all the way to the bottom, you have some other settings here, filter, append, but let's enable transfer formatting as well to make sure that our conditional formatting will be in the same place, of course. And then you simply save the connection and let's see what happens. As you can see, Sheetgo created a new tab. And here you will find our information with the perfect formatting, and it even imported the image as we asked. So this is how you use Sheetgo and how you use import range, its functionalities, but with a bit extra, of course. If you have any questions about this, please comment below and make sure to watch our other videos to see what other amazing things you can do with Sheetgo. Thank you.